Can't find the ideal products anywhere searching? This tutorial video will guide you on how to find the exact product you need on TBC Mall. First, you can use the Search for Products box in the top middle of the home page by entering the relevant keywords or selecting the suggested trending searches to auto-complete your search query quickly. You can also search by image. If you saw a product picture online and thought it would be a great product for your business, try our image search. Just tap the camera icon in the search box, upload the image, or paste the image link. Our image search engine will help you quickly recognize and identify the most relevant product suggestions. Another way is to search by product categories. Just run through our product categories navigation on the left. Click on the one you are looking for. Then use the filtering options to narrow your search from brand to price, color, and more. Moreover, to enrich your decision-making, you can explore the frequently clicked sections on the homepage, including bestsellers, new arrivals, what's trending, top brands, and more. Still not finding the products you need? Click on the live help icon on the left side. We will always be here to help you with any question.